It is Saturday before episode 8 premieres, and I have a little more thoughts on the dress for Rhaenyra and her hair based on images that came out yesterday. Thank you, Twitter. It's been golden. I'm going to put myself over here in this little corner, but let's talk about the dress here and the hair. We finally got some really good pictures of how the hair is styled, which I do think has changed my style that I have thought about for her hair, but not too much to where the wefts that I made are going to work just fine. But one, she's kind of holding her stomach. What does that mean? Baby coming, obviously, but seriously. But I don't think she's like full pregnant in this outfit. She looks pretty slim from some of the side ones. She might be a couple months, but am I going to wear a baby belly underneath of it? No. However, this image gives a good dress image and hair image, and I really like it. And also it gives a little bit more idea on the color of the split in the front. And I think it is a nice deep burgundy red. I really appreciate this picture because we are getting more information and higher res pictures from Twitter, weirdly, of the beadwork and embroidery. And I think I'm going to be starting on the center embroidery beadwork thing first and then work on the top once I have like sizes and figure out how to do that like dragon snake thing. We're gonna have a journey, y'all. Like the beadwork and the embroidery on this. We're going to have to do some experimentation to figure out how this works, but we'll figure it out. Don't worry. We got this. Here is another image I did find of her hair in better definition, and it is that piece on the top, that big braid going down the sides does look like a sewn-in piece of weft, and then the parts of the braids on her top head and then the side of her head will be braided into one braid. But there's a couple different definitions of hair going on here, which I really appreciate this picture for. Also kind of really cool cloak. Also, we're zooming in close here because her earrings are now hoops. There went my glass bead theory. Oh, well. But that's okay. Easy. I think those actually will probably be easy to find or make. No big deal. But also, look at this close-up of the embroidery. That, like, snake texture. It looks like one long piece that was created and then placed onto the dress instead of, like, sewn individually onto the dress. That's going to be really interesting to figure out. I think they're going to have to do a lot of like trim experimentation and just using different weird fabrics to get that embroidery texture that we want. I live for this stuff. This is beautiful. And like the points of her shoulders. So good. I did order a few more swatches of fabric, so they're going to be coming in soon. So we'll have fabric choices and videos, but also thank you guys for coming along on this journey. I've seen you guys are watching these and loving them. I can't wait to make more. Happy Saturday. House of Dragons is tomorrow. We only have like 2 more episodes left after tomorrow.